Hi guys, this is Nusrat. I'm an ethical hacker and a fitness coach and a life coach, and I'm here with a brand new video. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to me. My channel is about all kinds of hacking. It has less security hacking right now because I'm more focused on healing people. Basically, my channel isn't really limited to a certain kind of hacking. It's more on hacks of our everyday life, of our mindset, and things that help us grow and evolve. Right now, I'm going to share my story with you guys about hacking. Okay, why am I a hacker? The first reason I'm a hacker is because I love it when people get surprised. Okay, on one point I'm this dance teacher, I'm doing all this weight loss programs, and then I tell people, hey, I'm a hacker. And yeah, I love the expression. I mean, it's like the best of both worlds. But jokes apart, basically I love hacking. It's been like a few years I've been in it. I took coaching from an academy in my country which is called Arena Web Security, and basically I was trained as a certified ethical hacker. I got my certificate from there, and then I took it a bit further just on learning, and yeah, I have like worked as a bug bounty hunter mostly, but I have tried to help many organizations in discovering vulnerabilities in their applications. I'm also the first female ethical hacker from Bangladesh to enter the Facebook Hall of Fame. That happened in 2020, and right now after that I really went more into on the spirituality hacks as well, on law of attraction hacks, which is itself a hack actually, on hacks to make life better. Okay, so hacking, I'm really passionate about hacking because hackers are like the next level people, where normal people thinking stops. That's where a hacker begins to think. In the hacking community, we have this saying that no system is safe. So it doesn't matter, if it's some important precedence, something, or if it's like a bank. It has to be, a bank is known to be the most secured system in the world, and yet we know of instances when great banks were hacked. So these are things where normal people's mind and imagination stops. They think that, okay, this system is completely secure, there is no way anybody can get access to it, and that's when a hacker strikes. So of course it's not easy. It's not like the same hacker is doing everything, although I do admit there are many great hackers out there with a lot of potential. However, just as a normal human being, when all of us try and understand the philosophy of hacking, this whole entire channel is on hacks. So what do we understand? This is the next level of life. It's like evolution. So if you apply hacking, or if you apply any kind of hacks in your daily life, in your lifestyle, in your fitness, you're really challenging the norm. You're doing things, you're taking things one step further. What is not even evident, not even apparent to normal people, you're going to have that vision. You're going to be innovative, you're going to be creative, you're going to be like, I know that from the looks of it, it all looks secure, it all looks like this is how things should be done, but hey, I have a new approach, I have a new way of doing this. So if you're an entrepreneur, a hacker background, hacking, knowing or thinking or liking hacking, having that curiosity mindset is definitely going to help you. If you are a student, if you are anything in life, having that hacker kind of feeling is going to give you an upper hand compared to your peers. So you may be thinking that how is that possible? Truth is, if 1,000 people or 10,000 people think in a particular way, a hacker thinks in a different way. If 10,000 people are going this way, they're following everyday rules, everyday systems, they're believing everything. A hacker is the one who creates, a back end door. A hacker is, okay, wait, that was a really good punch, right? A back end door. So anyways, a hacker is one who's going to find something out of nothing, even if there is a wall in front of everyone, and if everyone thinks that this is just a wall, there's nothing on the other side. A hacker is not just going to go through the wall, they're going to find out what's on the other side. And it's so amazing, right? So having that creativity, having that innovative spirit, having that boldness, I love all that about hacking. And there was once a time when hacking was like illegal, and people used to think that, oh no, he's a hacker or she's a hacker, stay away from her, they're going to hack into your system and into your privacy. Truth is, it's not even that easy. It's not easy to hack social media like people say. The first thing I used to get a lot after I announced that I'm a hacker is that, well, you'll hack my boyfriend, girlfriend's Facebook. Truth is, I don't even know how to hack someone's Facebook profile. I did know how to hack Facebook. I reported it to Facebook. They rewarded me, they honored me, and that's basically done. I don't know how to hack anybody's real social media profile. Of course, there are ways to do that through phishing and stuff, but those are just cheap, okay? Anyways, so also that mentality of hacking into other people's privacy itself is cheap, right? Why would anybody do it? If you are so invested in if you're investing your energy in all these poor quality thoughts of hacking into so and so person's social media account, you're really wasting your talent, you're wasting your energy. Anyways, that's a different story. What I love about hacking, I'm not going to talk about good or bad here. I love about hacking is that it's a skill, okay, and it's becoming a really recognized skill. There is a huge scarcity of good hackers, of ethical hackers, and as days go by, the demand of qualified ethical hackers, qualified white hat hackers, it's going to increase. Qualified pen testers, security researchers, because all throughout this time we have been the news has been going on about who hacked which bank, who hacked how many links and all that. It's just all about the bad guys, and that's why we need to bring balance. So my suggestion would be, if you're interested into hacking, then become a hacker. Join the good forces, because there really is going to be a huge necessity of it, especially as we move more into technology. There are hackers who can hack a car. You're driving a car, or it's on autopilot, you won't even know it, and someone else is going to hack it for you. Your home, which is like on technology, your privacy, your everything on home. For example, the place where people really make a lot of mistakes is the webcam, especially on children's rooms. Keep it covered. And yeah, there are like lots of things we need to be aware of, even as non-hackers, because technology is taking up a lot of our life, and yeah, and until now most of the power had been on on the other side of people who do not have good intentions. So yeah, we need more on this side. The thing is that I would say to the hackers who are watching it, and if you are an unethical hacker, if you have a lot of joy from hacking into things illegally, then my question would be that why do you do it? As an ethical hacker, if you report to a well-known organization, you're gonna get rewarded probably as much as, or sometimes even more. You're going to get honored, you're going to get recognized, okay? If you can hack a system before the bad guy and then report it to to the company, to the government, they're going to be like, everybody in your nation is going to be praising you that, yeah, we have such a strong security researcher, such a strong force on our side. But on the other hand, when you hack illegally, when you break the law, you're never going to have any freedom. You will always be living your life hiding, and instead of being famed, you're going to be shamed. So why would you do that? Because you get money in both ways. You're going to get money by reporting the bug to the respective people, and also by abusing it, okay? And so that's food for thought. Anyways, enough of that, and other than that, I hope you guys enjoy these videos I make. There is going to be like one security hack every month on the last Friday. and most of the time it's going to be on life hacks and fitness hacks, things to make our life better. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to me right now. Other than that, I want to see you soon. Ciao.